The head is sort of a squashed circle. And two really big eyes, which are also sort of a squash circle. Do a little reflection circle. Tiny little curve for the nose and then the mouth. We need to do some wrinkles on the forehead. Now you start there and you go all the way out to there and then back down to the bottom for the ear. Same on the other side. Then you're going to add the top part of the ear. Now we need to add the cloak. So I'm going to start with a collar, and that folds up on the side like that. It's not right in the center. Then we're going to add the bottom part of the cloak, about that far down, curve around, and then back, connect. Then the sleeves go down to here, and they're folded up, so you add a little folded part for the sleeves. And only part of his hands kind of poke out. So first I'm going to do the thumb, and then the rest of the fingers right behind it. I'm just going to do a little detail and color in the eyes.